Hi, this is Dan and welcome to Habit Made. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I created this wall hanging. For this project, I used cord from rightrope.com. Check out their website. They have a variety of sizes and cotton cords that you could choose from. You could also use our code HABITMADE5 to get 5% discount. Anyway, I'm excited to share with you the process, so let's get started. For this tutorial, we're gonna use wood with 2 feet length. For the rope size, we'll use 5 mm single ply cotton cord. Next, cut 6 cords with 3 feet length each or 91 centimeters. We're gonna do lark's head knot to attach it to our dowel. So we group the 6 cords by 2s, then we'll make square knot. Again, to make a square knot, let's make a number 4 and then inverted 4 and put this through. Okay, so let me just repeat the process on the 3rd row. So 4 and then inverted 4. Then let's work in between. Get these 2 cords from this side and then this side, and we'll use this to make a square knot. Okay. Let me just move it closer to the center. So I'm allotted 3.5 inches distance from the top end to the square knot. So we're just gonna repeat this onto the other side. Next, I'm gonna cut 32 cords with 1 feet length each, and I'm gonna fill out each section with 8 cords. So I'm just attaching each cord by making a lark's head knot. Once we're done filling out each section with 8 cords, I'm gonna proceed and make a double half hitch. Okay, so I'm gonna use this cord from the right for this side. To make a double half hitch, just make a U, and using the same cord, repeat the process and proceed to the next neighboring cord. If you're having a problem making double half hitch, you could check out my other video, 3 basic knots you need to learn, to have a detailed guide on how to make this one. If you want a bigger size, you could check out my other wall hanging video. Then we'll proceed to the next side. So I'm gonna use this cord from the farthest left for this side.
Next, cut 3 cords with 16 feet length each. We'll work on the left side first. So get this cord from your farthest left and use this as our lead cord, as we'll make a double half hitch knot. Let me adjust this first so you can see clearly. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this first, this cord, and we're gonna start working on the second cord, but this time going to the left side. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as my lead cord, and I'll make double half hitch horizontal, double half hitch going to the left. Next, we're gonna use this second cord from the right as my lead cord, as I make horizontal double half hitch going to the left again. Okay. Then we'll proceed on this one. Another row of double half hitch going to the left. Okay, now it's time to create double half hitch going to the right. So what we'll do is use this cord from the left as our lead cord going to the right. Then another row going to the right. So same thing, we are using this farthest left cord as our lead cord as we work our way to the right. Okay. Now down to our last row. So basically we will have 7 rows of double half hitch knot. For one leaf, we should be able to have 7 rows of double half hitch. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna connect the two by making another double half hitch. Okay, so let's just secure this by making another double half hitch and tighten it. Then we're just gonna repeat the process. So get this cord from your farthest left and we'll use this as our lead cord. Then we're gonna leave this cord and work on the second cord from the right and make a double half hitch going to your left. So same process as what we did on the first leaf. So for the fifth row, we're gonna do the opposite direction. So this time going to the right. So for this side, I'm gonna do 5 leaves. Next, let's cut 3 cords with 16 feet length each. Now we're gonna work on the right side. Once we're done attaching the 3 cords, let's get this cord from your farthest right. We'll use this as our lead cord and we'll make double half hitch knot. For this side, we just did the opposite. We used the right cord as our lead cord going to the left to make our leaves outward facing. So same thing, we're gonna leave this and proceed to the next cord as our lead cord going to the opposite direction. Now going to the right. Now onto our fifth row. So we'll do the opposite side. Now going to the left. Now that we have 7 rows, it's time to connect the two. So we're just gonna do another double half hitch. And we'll now proceed on to our next leaf. So we were able to create 5 on each side. So this time we're gonna connect the two. Because these cords from the sides are a bit small, what I'm gonna use is the second cord. So I'm just gonna do double half hitch to connect them. And I'm gonna work on this side, so we'll work on these 4 cords. Then we'll now trim the bottom part. Okay, so for this one, I want the V shape design. Done with the centerpiece, now I'm gonna show you how to simply hang your macrame wall hanging. So I cut 1 feet cord. So we'll use 2 cords, 1 for each side. So I made a lark's head knot. Okay, and then I'm just gonna move it up. And as you can see, we have the space in between, so I just wrap this cord and knot on top. Okay. To make sure it's secure, I'm just gonna knot it again. There's actually tons of ways to do this, which I'll probably show you on my next videos, but this is one thing that I sometimes do. Then I'm gonna connect this by making a simple knot.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with me by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging me on my social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next video.